Let's be brutally honest. When it's time to buy new tires, most of us walk into a shop, look at the big brand names like Michelin or Goodyear, see a price tag of $800 or more, and just accept our fate. We think it is our safety on the line, so we have to pay the premium. But what if I told you that you are being robbed blind? You do not need to spend a fortune to get top-tier grip, incredible tread life, and a quiet ride. The tire industry is full of secrets, and mechanics know exactly how to game the system, but they rarely tell you. Today, I'm exposing 10 low-cost, all-season tires that you are probably scrolling right past online. These aren't just cheap tires made of hard plastic that will slide in the rain. They are total game changers that perform just as well as the big boys for an absolute fraction of the price. Let's save you some serious cash today. Make sure you stick around because number 1 is going to completely blow your mind. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the ultimate sleeper tire on the market today, the Laufin S-Fit AS. Never heard of Laufin? Don't worry, most people haven't. But here is the massive industry secret. Laufin is actually Hankook's secondary budget brand. When you buy a Laufin, you are getting top-tier research, development, and testing from a global giant, but you are only paying entry-level prices. The ultra-high-performance tread design means it grips like an absolute magnet on dry pavement, corners beautifully, while still lasting thousands and thousands of miles. It is the pure definition of a hidden gold mine. Coming in at number 9, we have the Toyo Extensa A/S2. Toyo is incredibly famous in the truck world for making indestructible off-road tires, but their passenger car tires are highly underrated. For the second generation of the Extensa, they injected a special high-grip silica compound into the rubber that improves wet braking by a massive margin compared to their older models. You can stop several feet shorter in the rain, which could literally be the difference between a safe stop and a fender bender. It's tough, grips exceptionally well, and is priced exactly where budget-conscious drivers need it to be. At number 8 is the Nexen Emprise AH8. Here is a fun fact that most tire shops leave out. Car manufacturers actually put these on brand new vehicles straight from the factory. Massive brands like Kia and Hyundai use these exact Nexen models as original equipment because they are designed specifically for maximum comfort and absorbing harsh bumps in the road. They have a continuous center rib that keeps the car tracking perfectly straight on the highway without you having to constantly correct the steering. If your car rides a bit rough and you want to soften up the suspension feel without spending luxury tire money, this is a phenomenal choice. Number 7 is the Vredestein Quattrak. I know, you probably haven't even heard of them, but European drivers swear by this brand for a very good reason. This is technically an all-weather tire, not just all-season. There is a huge difference. The Quattrak has the official three-peak mountain snowflake symbol stamped on the side, meaning it is legally tested and rated for severe snow conditions. But unlike a winter tire, the rubber compound doesn't melt away and get ruined in the summer heat. If you live somewhere with totally unpredictable weather, this is your ultimate life hack. At number 6, we have the Sumitomo HTRA/SP03. If you like to drive a little more aggressively, maybe take corners a little faster, but you are still on a strict budget, this is the tire for you. Sumitomo is a massive, respected player in Japan, but they don't spend millions on marketing in the US market. That lack of advertising overhead is exactly what keeps the price so low for you. The turn-in response on this tire when you move the steering wheel is incredibly sharp. It honestly feels like a high-performance summer tire, but thanks to its advanced siping technology, it handles light snow and freezing rain with complete confidence. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Kumho Solus T A11. This tire is the absolute definition of flying under the radar. It doesn't have flashy marketing, but it has an advanced asymmetric tread pattern. This means the outside edge of the tire is built stiff for handling and cornering, while the inside edge is heavily grooved for pushing away standing water. Because of this unique design, it actually cools down faster than other tires on long road trips, meaning significantly less wear and tear from heat buildup. It's a reliable everyday workhorse that costs practically half of what you would pay for a Michelin Defender. Coming in at number 4, we have the Falcon Sincera SN250A/S. The absolute biggest complaint anyone has with cheap tires is the road noise. Nobody wants to buy a budget tire only to find out it sounds like a broken washing machine. Falcon completely solved that issue. They used a proprietary sound reduction technology that disrupts the sound waves generated by the road, making this tire incredibly quiet inside the cabin. Paired with a massive 80,000-mile warranty and a ride that absorbs potholes beautifully, this is the ultimate highway cruiser tire. If you drive a crossover or a heavier SUV, you need to pay close attention to number 3. It is the Cooper Endeavor Plus. SUVs are significantly heavier than sedans, which means they chew through cheap standard tires incredibly fast. But Cooper engineered this tire specifically to handle that extra weight, packing it with a silica-rich compound. What does that mean for you? Unbelievable stopping power in the rain. When you hit a puddle at 60 miles per hour, this tire channels water away so efficiently that hydroplaning is barely a concern. It keeps hundreds of dollars in your pocket where they belong. Next up at number 2 is the General Altimax RT45. Now, the name General might sound like a generic budget brand you'd find at a discount store, but here is the industry secret. They are owned by Continental. You are basically getting elite German engineering at a massive discount. The RT45 has these genius visual alignment indicators built straight into the tread. Instead of guessing if your suspension is messed up, the tire literally tells you if your car's alignment is off before it wears out unevenly and ruins the rubber. On top of that, it channels slush out of the way so fast that it completely outclasses everything else in its price bracket. And finally, at number 1, the tire that is going to blow your mind and save you the most money, the Hankook Kinergy PT. People completely overlook this tire, but it is an absolute beast when it comes to longevity. Listen to this. It comes with a 90,000-mile tread wear warranty. Yes, 90,000 miles. Most premium tires that cost twice as much give you 60,000 if you're lucky. Hankook achieved this by using a specialized carbon black compounding. In simple terms, this makes the rubber incredibly tough against friction, meaning it rolls smoother and actually saves you money at the gas pump by reducing rolling resistance. If you want a tire you can slap on your car and literally forget about for the next 5 to 7 years, this is your gold mine. Stop letting big brands drain your wallet just because they have a fancy logo printed on the sidewall. The tire industry wants you to think expensive is the only way to be safe, but that simply isn't true anymore. Any of these 10 tires will completely transform your daily ride. Now I want to hear from you. Check your wheels right now. What tires are currently on your car, and how much did you honestly pay for them? Drop a comment down below so we can see who got the best deal and who got ripped off. If this video saved you some money, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive truths, and I'll see you in the next one.